Tactical Plate Carrier by Rhino Rescue. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Survival. So today I have this. This is my Tactical Plate Carrier. Rhino Rescue was nice enough to send me one of these out. They do come in two colors, black or this color right here, which is multicam. Before I drop the camera, I need you guys to do a couple things for me. Please like and subscribe. Put comments down below if you have one of these vests or you're interested in one of these vests. It really does help the algorithm. Just give me that thumbs up, all that stuff. You could also become a Patreon member if you like. It only costs you $1 a month and you get to watch videos like this before anybody else. Also, I'm going to have links down below, so if you're interested in this vest or in any of my channels, you can go ahead, click in that description box, and it will give you all the information you need. So let's do this, guys. Let's drop the camera. Alright guys, as far as cost, this is a very affordable carrier. Alright, it's 60 to 75 bucks. It's made from 600D high density polyester, quick release buckles, removable front panel, and I'll get into that in a second. The cummerbund does adjust from 36 inches to 46 inches. It does come with a triple mag pouch, triple AR style mag pouch, and it does come with 2 pistol mags. It will come in colors either black or multicam at this time. It may at some time later get different colors, but right now those are the only colors you get. Alright, so if you didn't see on the video before, the panels fit in underneath like most carriers. Okay, you put your panel in there and it's all velcroed in. This panel right here does velcro off, and it does come off as a panel, which is kind of nice. All right, so you will have to molly these in, this panel right here. I like the adjustment on it, and again, AR style magazines. You have 3 pockets. You could probably put 3 in there. You definitely could put 3 in there. You probably put up to 6 if you want to squeeze them in there. All right, so that's nice. You also get the 2 mag pouches. I just put the 2 mag pouches on the side. It does have a little bit of elastic. All right, so 2 mag pouches or a multi-tool or a flashlight. I will say that the nylon polyester is very thin, so it will keep your vest very, very light. It does have the moto or motivation molly hook and loop on the front and on the back. Now what's really cool about the back is it does come with the zipper. All right, so if anybody that's been around for a while knows, these zippers are for zipping on extra equipment such as water bladders, a very, very small backpack, pouches, that kind of thing. But if you didn't want to use it, you could also use the molly as well and just forego the zippers. It does come with a drag handle or pull handle. The way this works is it is a quick release system, so you just pull up a little bit of tension and you can pull it down or up and it will quick release. It does that on both sides, so you pull this up and pull it down or pull it up. All right, that's your quick release. It also has quick releases on the top of the shoulder strap, again, so you can swim out of this thing very, very quickly. And when you open it up, there's not any type of padding on the inside, but it is stitched very well. And on the back side, you have the adjustable cummerbunds. All right, so the way this works is there's 1 strip of Velcro in the back, and you have some Velcro strips here. Okay, if I needed to adjust it, they come with these metal clips. Just want to give you a close-up. These metal clips are your adjustment. All right, so the way it works is you kind of figure out where you are as far as girth goes, and then you take the metal clips and you put them inside the molly like that. All right, and then that's going to be your tension. All right, if you have to adjust it, make it bigger, make it smaller, you take the clips out, you can make it smaller, and then again adjust the clips. All right, very, very simple system. Very, very simple. All right, not a lot of thought in this process. It just makes it easy to adjust. If you needed to secure it a little bit more, That's up to you, but I think this would be sufficient, especially once you start putting weight on this. It's probably going to weigh it down a little bit more. Then if I want to reattach it, very simple. All right, it just slips in there. All right, nice and easy. On the top you have these pads, which is good for weight, and it also has adjustments. So for the shoulders, you can adjust it via, it's just Velcro. All right, so depending on how wide you are, how thin you are, you can adjust it, make all the adjustments that you need, and then rewrap your shoulder pads. That's it. Okay, nice and easy. It also has Velcro on top of the pads, and it also has Velcro on the front, and that's for any type of add-on pouches or anything else that you need to Velcro, which I think is a very, very smart idea, especially if you're running comms, water bladders, that kind of thing. Sometimes you just want to get something quick just to slap on there, okay? If you need to, this comes completely off. If you need to change the cummerbund, all right, you have plenty of Velcro space. You can also adjust it here. So if you wanted to make it a little bit wider, you can make it wider or you can make it shorter. Okay, just make sure that you remember that these pull tabs have to be outside the cummerbund so you can get to them very, very quickly and swim out of your vest. The cummerbund also comes with this mesh, which is nice, so that will allow you to breathe, which is nice because you probably will be sweaty when you're running around with this. All right. And again, like I said, with the panels themselves, the panels is very simple. All right, you're going to make sure that they are clipped into the top. All right, make sure that they are aligned, and then just bring it down. Push it on the Velcro, and you are good to go. All right, guys, let's jump back up top. All right, guys, that's it for Rhino Rescue Tactical Vest. Again, they don't necessarily call it a plate carrier. I don't know why that is, maybe because of the way the terms are written. Some states, such as New York, does not allow you or want you to have plate carriers or any type of so maybe they just call it a tactical vest for that purpose, but it was no problem getting it shipped here. I don't think it'll be a problem getting shipped to your location. And I think it's well done for the price. Now, 60, 70 bucks is not a lot to pay for a tactical vest. It's not. It's very well done. The lightweight materials make it very comfortable, and there's a lot of adjustments. You make your choices based on what your needs are. Again, those pads and sides are not bullet protection, so please don't put this on. All right, that should have been a disclaimer. It's just rubber foams, either for airsoft or if you wanted to just so in shipping it doesn't, you know, fold in on itself. It gives it that space. But they will accept up to a 10 by 12 plate, front and back. I haven't really ran it hard. I just kind of put it on just to do the adjustments and to give you guys a tabletop. So if you're interested in this, please go down in the description below. Take a look at all the things that I have down there. I will have a link to this to Amazon, and if you buy it from Amazon, I get like 2 cents on the dollar. So thank you very much for that. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and as always, stay safe.